Hey everybody! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you the third and final video in my CPU water boiling experiment series. Yep. You heard it right, boiling water. Using a CPU. While mining Monero. I know. The first two experiments were a bit messy, but this time I really wanted to push it further and see if it's actually possible to heat water enough to make a proper cup of tea. Quick disclaimer, this is purely for fun. Don't try this at home if you care about your CPU. And, maybe keep a fire extinguisher nearby just in case. Alright, let's dive in. So for this round, I grabbed an Intel i5, 3rd generation CPU, something a bit older but still very capable. I wanted to see if the old CPU can actually perform this ridiculous task. I used a small metal bowl, lined with paper cups, which maybe helped a bit with insulation, we'll see. Then I filled it with water and set it right on top of the CPU. Meanwhile, the CPU was running a Monero miner at full load, basically maxing out the temperature the whole time. Already my monitoring software is screaming at me, 105 Celsius degree warning. Yeah. The CPU is very unhappy. But we're committed to science here. Once everything was set, I started the time-lapse, and, well, it's basically a 20-minute video in 1 hour 30 minutes real time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the magic of slow CPU-induced water heating. Fun fact, the temperature in the bowl started at room temp, obviously, and after a few minutes, you can see little tiny ripples from the heat. It's kinda hypnotic, actually. Also, I kept the cups from paper on top. I think they added like 5 extra degrees of heat retention. Pure scientific wizardry, of course. As time goes on, the water slowly warms up. The CPU is literally screaming warnings the whole time. My monitoring software is flashing like a disco party. I had a cup of green tea ready, because the goal here is, well, maybe you can boil water enough to make tea if you're really patient. After about 1 hour and 30 minutes, we hit around 72 Celsius degree in the bowl. Not quite boiling, but definitely warm enough for tea. Honestly, this is more successful than my past 2 attempts. Look at that time-lapse. The water barely moves, but the CPU is going crazy. Imagine paying your electricity bill for this. Oh, and yes, the CPU is still alive. Barely. So, the results. CPU maxed at 105 Celsius degree constantly, stress central. Water reached 72 Celsius degree, which is warm, but not boiling. You could technically pour it over a green tea bag and, well, let's say it would take a lot longer than usual. Would I recommend this? Absolutely not. Is it fun to try? Definitely yes. And that's it, the third and final video in my CPU water boiling series. I hope you had fun watching this little experiment from my archives. Remember, this is just for laughs and tech curiosity. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more crazy experiments, and don't forget to leave a comment telling me what crazy CPU experiment I should try next. Maybe CPU-powered popcorn? Who knows? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.